it's Melissa here from Melissa Shares, and today I'm going to do another episode of What Can a Stay-at-Home Mommy Accomplish in 90 Minutes? I know all of you husbands or unmarried people or working people, you wonder, what do we stay-at-home moms do? Well, the answer is most days I'm watching my youngest daughter who is not in school yet, but today she's with my mom, so I have made a big to-do list. It's actually 2 pages long, and I'm gonna set my kitchen timer for 90 minutes and see how many of these tasks I can get done. Stick around to the end, and we're gonna recap what a stay-at-home mom can do in 90 minutes with her phone turned off. Hey guys, I'm back after 90 minutes, and let me tell you, the last thing on my to-do list had me crying. I will share that with you at the end, but I'm gonna quickly just run through the items on my to-do list that I did accomplish. It's not as many as I would have liked, but the first thing that I worked on really was labor intensive, and that was cleaning up my entryway. It was a multifaceted to do, so I'll just run you through it. I have a buildup of mail and papers and children's projects and filing and all kinds of other items. The entryway is a dumping ground for so many things, and it took me some time to go through it. So what I did first was I opened all the mail. I sorted that so that I had shred and recycle, and then everything else got sorted into piles for filing or for action. Mostly it was just filing. I've done a video about this, I'll link it for you, but I save odds and ends out of the mail for my girls, especially junk mail. The return envelopes that I'm not using, I save for them for crafts and other projects. I save interesting stamps for them, and I also save those like throwaway credit card things, and I let them use those for their pretend cash register. Then the mail was delivered today, you guys. So just as I was cleaning up all the mail, more mail came, and guess what? I opened all of that mail too. I got my new museum membership in the mail, which I'm super excited about. Put that away in my wallet, filed those things, and I got the grocery circulars that I'm gonna take a look at and make my grocery list for the week, so that was productive. Everything else went into the trash or recycling. I opened the school photos that we got. It took me this long. I opened and framed one, so it's out. I will file some of the others probably, but I'm also setting aside that envelope to sort the wallets and do cards for Father's Day, so those are gonna be mailed to different grandparents and recipients. I emptied my purse from the weekend and put it away. I took the shredding and recycling and put those things where they belong. I updated one address that was on the back of an envelope that I needed to update in my computer address book. Put away all the Passover supplies, you guys. It's May and I still have Passover out, so those are at the back door ready to carry out to the garage. I sorted the shoes. I put away the shoes that don't fit or are off season, so winter boots, and I sorted all the shoes in the entryway by family member, so everyone's shoes are in the right spot next to their other shoe choices. That should be a lot easier. The last thing on my list, you guys, is I wrote a goodbye email to our pediatrician who is retiring. She's not just my kid's pediatrician, she was my pediatrician. I definitely was crying, sobbing over my keyboard writing that email, saying goodbye and thank you to her. I really wanted to take some time to write something meaningful to her and wish her well on her retirement, so I did that. Anyway, 90 minutes came and went. I got a really big task done. It doesn't look like a lot, but tackling my entryway and my filing is so satisfying. All the files are ready to go in a stack, sorted by file, and ready just to set into my file cabinet. So I'm gonna go do that now. That's gonna take a little more than the 90 minutes I allotted, but thanks so much for watching, you guys. I'd love to know your other time management techniques. What do you do to get things done that you hate doing and put off, like I do with the mail? Let me know in the comments down below. It might help someone out, and as always, thank you so much for being here. Bye-bye.